the last video, we gave you a brief introduction to navigating the mobile interface. In this video, we'll show you how to customize the mobile interface to fit your personal preferences. Let's start by navigating to your instance homepage. Remember that by default, 4 types of information are displayed: favorites, recent lists, labels, and recent documents. But you can customize the home screen to show any combination of these items. To change the types of information displayed, tap the gear icon. You can hide a section by sliding the Show Section slider to the off position. You can also control the number of items that appear in each section, and enable or disable horizontal scrolling where applicable. If we navigate to the home page, you can see that the Recent Documents section is gone. Now let's look at how to customize each remaining section. We'll start with favorites. To add a favorite, navigate to the screen you want to attach. Then tap and hold the Home icon. First, give your favorite a name. Then give it a color and an icon. Finally, tap Save. You can also change or remove a favorite by tapping and holding the item until the Save Favorite to Homepage dialog box opens. Change the name, color, or icon as needed, or tap the trash icon to remove the favorite altogether. Now let's look at the Recent List section. To start, tap the list you want to modify. The list opens the module from which you viewed it, in this case the Incident module. Tap the filter. The filter editor shows the current filter and lists the other available conditions that can be added. To add a condition, tap it. Here, you may see a different screen depending on the type of condition. For example, if you tap a text field such as Short Description, this will be a text field. But we've selected Priority, which has a list of choices instead. So in this case, we see a list of available operators. Make the selections to define your filter and then tap Run. To delete one of the conditions, just tap the corresponding X. Now let's look at the Labels section. Notice the values on the Contacts label. The green number indicates the total number of records assigned to the label, and the red number indicates recently updated records. To customize the Label section, tap the section heading. Any previously defined labels are displayed here. Tap in the Create or Search Labels field and type the name of the label you want to create. As you type, the new label appears below the field. When you're finished, tap Done. Select a color and an icon for the new label and tap Save. Now let's assign a record to our new label. Here we have a high priority incident. Tap the More icon in the lower right-hand corner of the screen and then select Labels. In the Labels screen, tap the label you want to assign to the record. Notice that a check mark appears on the label. You can also select multiple labels for the record, or, if needed, tap the label a second time to deselect it. When you're finished, simply navigate away from the screen. Your label selections are automatically saved. You can see that the high priority label now has a number displayed on it to indicate that the new record has been assigned to it. If you would like to remove a label from a record, first navigate to that record, tap the More icon, and then select Labels. Tap the label you want to remove from the record. The checkmark disappears to indicate that the label has been removed. This has been a brief introduction to customizing the mobile interface. For more information, please visit our wiki or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.